back to Life in God's Country, and I really want to work on my fort today because it's winter and I wanted a little shelter down in the yard, but it's dark out. So me and my dad invented a light, and I'm going to show you how it works. So the black means negative, the black line. You start with the yellow cord, then you open it up, then you find a black one, a white one, and just one like this. So you don't need this one. You want the white one and the black one, and the white one is negative and the black one is positive. So you put the positive, two positives onto the light switch, and then if you have a light, something like this, you connect this to the light box, and then in the light box you connect the negative in the white box to the negative out here, and the positive and in the box to the positive to the white light switch. Then you grab, so this is my chainsaw battery. It's for a little chainsaw, and you could use a drill battery, whatever kind of battery like this, even probably other batteries, but we're using this battery today. On the actual whatever you're using, you can find what one is positive and negative. So this is positive, this line is positive, and this one's negative. And the white one's negative, and this one's positive. So we're gonna plug the black positive in there, and then the white positive or negative, and the negative. And then you turn your switch, and the light turns on. And now we're gonna go install it in my fort. We're down here at my fort, and we're gonna get this light installed. Hello, I'm just tying down the wire that goes to the light right now. All tight.
All right, we're down here in the dark. Me and my boy wants to work at his fort. Now he's got a light.
Let's turn on the light.
Check that out. Woo! That is sweet.
Yeah, that's super cool.
We got a little light switch here. We'll get that all up to code. And he's got his own little light. What do you think of that, Benson?
That's super cool.
Pretty cool. So how come you wanted to do this kind of light instead of a Amazon battery operated light?
Because this light you don't have to pay anything for, and you could just make it at home. You don't need to wait 2 weeks and buy it.
Making it's way better, huh?
Yeah, it's fun too. Something to do.
Congratulations. Now you got electricity in your fort.
Yeah.
All powered off of a little 21 volt chainsaw battery. That's it. See you next time on
Life with God's Country.